satisfied users all over the world, including right here in Los Angeles. So making great technology like our IT-based Infinity camcorder and knowing how to turn it into a profit-making tool for broadcasters and network providers to deliver content to viewers faster, that's really what sets us apart, we believe. And again, as Jacques said earlier, broadcasters are evolving into broader casters. They have to deliver content in SD, HD, online, and on mobile devices. And shooting and producing content for each of these platforms separately is really not practical, and it's not cost-effective, and it's not fast enough. That is why we're introducing MediaFUSE. This is a revolutionary new product, a groundbreaking companion product for our Ignite system, and this represents a paradigm shift for broadcasters. MediaFUSE is both a software and hardware package of automated tools that allow broadcasters to increase the amount of content availability for internet and mobile distribution as examples. And here to tell you more about MediaFUSE is Thomson Grass Valley's Alex Holtz. Alex?
Thanks, Jeff. As you noted, broadcasters are looking beyond traditional over-the-air revenue to web and mobility opportunities, and to do so as efficiently as possible. That requires the ability to increase the amount of quality for their online video content and to drive more repeat business and more video clips viewed per visit to boost advertising availabilities, and expedite the publishing process to keep content fresh, to keep customers returning, and to strengthen their brand. To do this, broadcasting needs technologies that use single multi-distribution process to efficiently and rapidly produce content to live and on-demand web and mobile distribution. As part of a production workflow, MediaFUSE can automatically segment, encode, and process content, both live and on-demand, for repurposing on broadcasters' websites, mobile delivery platforms, and in minutes, not hours. So let me take you on a brief tour of MediaFUSE production process. In the pre-production stage, MediaFUSE lets journalists enter key metadata and tagging information such as syndication and publication points with selected format types and other critical information. If they have to enter the same information for multiple clips, MediaFUSE includes presets for storing and recalling that information. The process of marking by the journalist is simplified by the use of FUSE-produced data presets for repetitive processes. Now, FUSE-produce is an ActiveX plugin for newsroom computer systems and can reside in as many journalist seats as newsroom systems support or any specific station. So, now let's talk about the production stage. The content and data entered into the MediaFUSE system is processed and automatically associated through Ignite for each specific story and segment. Specific in and out point segmentation occurs in real time, avoiding the costly post-production of a manual process. Even more important is the Ignite system can add intros and tags automatically, providing valuable broadcaster branding versus just publishing clips directly from the newsroom and eliminating a manual post-production and adjustments. Each story is then automatically encoded and packaged for immediate live and or on-demand publishing at the time of production, letting broadcasters publish breaking news immediately instead of at the end of the newscast. If you decide to stream the news live, you can substitute shorter online ads and compress commercial blocks for a more acceptable online experience. If you have content not approved for web and mobile distribution, you can automatically replace it with an approved media. And should you need to fix something in post, MediaFUSE also includes a light editing component that allows you to fix or embargo any produced content. In the deployment stage, MediaFUSE prepares all of the content and associated metadata prepared for handoff to an application service provider and content delivery network. What you see here is a handoff to WorldNow through the custom interface that to leverage WorldNow's playout, distribution, ad, and content management network. This interface provides for a smooth handoff outside of the station. Where it all comes together is for the viewer. What they see is live streaming with breaks that are customized or on-demand content from a vast and fresh selection. Up to 5 times more content is rapidly available utilizing MediaFUSE that gives consumers reasons to visit more often and to view more content per visit.